What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video I tell you how you can repair your AC in Phoenix, USA. So without wasting any time, start our video. So first of all you need to open your browser Chrome, and here you can search AC repair Phoenix City AL. So here you can search. So there are some criteria you can see. This first of all, you saw this number, call here. You can also call this number and get their services. So this is the map. Here you can see best AC repair services in Phoenix, and this is some other numbers, like you can call these numbers and get the best services in Phoenix AC repairs. And this is the here you can tap on more businesses to get more numbers. So this is the map. Here you can search all the best services in Phoenix AC repairs. So this is the first website. Here you can tap. This is the website. Spencer Heating Air, American Standard, Phoenix City AC repair, Havoc services near me. Here this is the form. Here you can fill and send here your name, your email, your phone number and the AC repair. AC, this is the types of AC repair: AC installation, second opinion, furnace repair or replacement, air purification solutions, commercial work or other. So this is the message. Here you can type a message to get their services. What is the problem in your AC or what kind of services you can need. Phoenix City AC repair, AC installation, Havoc services need fast, reliable residential AC services. Call the team and Spencer Heating Air. Since 1967, Spencer Heating and Air has provided Havoc services to Phoenix City, AL and the surrounding areas. We are having providing around for the long because we built out business on honesty, courtesy and great customer services. Our services area include Auburn, Opelika, East Alabama, and areas within a 50-mile radius. Phoenix City is an all-American city with a rich history and a strong dedication to progressive future. Its roots go back to 1889 when it was established as an Alabama city. For more than 52 of those 128 years, Spencer Heating and Air has been providing Havoc services to the great people of this great city. If you are looking for someone to take care of your home's comfort system, please give us a call. So this is a short description of this website. We are only a phone call away. So this is the button. Here you can call. Here you can call their service center. Call now, and this is the number. Here you can call their service and get their services. So there are some types of their services: AC replacement, AC repair, heat pumping repair, heat pump replacement, furnace repair, furnace replacement, American Standard, Carrier, Train, Lennox, Mitsubishi Electric and more. So there are some other quality, and this is her email us. You can also contact by emailing him. So this is the today video. Hope so you like my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.